Alright, here we go. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to start up a Honda Rebel 500. First, you want to make sure you're wearing all your gear. Once you get that out of the way, you get the key. You want to insert it here. Once that's inserted, what you want to do is you want to start up the bike, put a leg over it. Basic controls. So now that you're on the bike, the ignition is right here. You flip it, you hit the power button. You're on neutral. You want the bike to go. What do? We're gonna grab the clutch lever, pull it back. It's an easy clutch lever. Then you're gonna press the clutch pedal, and now you're gonna feather this. You're gonna let go slowly, 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 and it's gonna start moving. You see this hand right here? Okay. Then you're gonna let go of the clutch and give some throttle. Because if you don't give throttle, like a little bit, just a little bit, if you don't do that, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna stall. So make sure you give a little bit of throttle. And now you're moving. You're in first gear. You see that? We're going 5 miles an hour. Super, super slow. Now I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna make a U-turn. So this is another maneuver we're gonna go through in a different video. But to do this, you wanna make sure you look where you wanna go. Just like that. You gotta look where you wanna go. We're in first gear. I'm gonna go towards my my camera. My camera's right here. I'm gonna move it. Give me a second, let me brake. So what I just did just now, the maneuver I did, so I'll explain it really quickly. Let me put my hazards on. I grabbed the front brake and I pushed onto the front pedal at the same time, like lightly though, not like super hard, but lightly, and that's how I was able to brake. You want to get used to using both brakes, not just your front brake. As a beginner, it's very important. Anyways, I got my hazard lights on, as you can see that right there. So when I made the stopping motion, I grabbed the clutch and I went to neutral. You know, so now we're neutral. I'm gonna pull down my kickstand. I got my hazards on. This is for my airbag. I didn't put it on because I'm making a video. Anyways, I'm gonna move the video, my phone, to face that way. Okay? All the way to the distance over there. All right, so I put the leg over the bike. I'm gonna hold in the clutch, put the gear shifter to first. Now we're in first. I'm gonna slowly get into that friction zone. Let go of the clutch, but get some throttle at the same time. Right now, going 5 miles per hour on first gear. I wanna brake. What do? I'm gonna have my foot right here with the brake pedal, and then hold the clutch in, because if I let go of the clutch, I'm gonna stall. Go to neutral, and that's it. But yeah, that's gonna be the video for you guys. I'll probably make another video explaining more if you guys leave any comments. I'm gonna get off the bike now. Make sure you have the kickstand down. I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow for more, or subscribe.